I bet you didn't know I wear prosthetics. Here's the ultimate guide to put on a prosthetics. First, you gotta wet your hand with water. So I usually use a spray bottle and I just wet my hands. After you get your arms wet, you just put it in. And usually your prosthetist will come over and measure your arm to know your shape. So everybody prosthetics is different. But right here, let me take it off, let me show you. Right here is the on and off button. And I just turn it on. Just take like a second, you just have to hold it down. And it's turned on. I don't know if you could see the light. And it just like trigger a sensor. This is called a socket. On the inside there are two sensors. It's right there. One on the left and one on the right. Oh. Push your hand in. So, it's triggered. When you make a fist, make a fist. Take two. So when you make a fist, the prosthetics will close. When you release your muscle, the prosthetics open. Dog life.